A good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening. I greet you according to una time. At any time you take come across my video. This na Gossip Big TV. I beg if you dey watch my video, you never subscribe. Do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like my video and also watch my video from the beginning to the end. To all my subscribers, I say make Baba God bless all of una. In Jesus' name, inshallah. Amen. My people, mouth no let me take talk wetin my ear hear. My eyes don't see my ear. Hey, I tell una say this Yul Edochie matter. Many things surround the matter. A lot of things tie this matter down. Finally, the whole truth is out. Hey! My people, they say wetin person dey find go Sokoto, e dey inside Sokoto. Finally, everything don come outside. My people, they say when you dey find problem, they go, and you no go to the root of the problem, that problem no dey ever finish. Na im be Yul Edochie own. Una know say Yul Edochie condition critical. Many people don talk different things. Even Peter Edochie don waka. So say the man shoe don fire. The man slippers don fire when he take the waka because of Yul Edochie matter. My people, finally, everything wey Peter Edochie and his family need to know about Juju Ekwensu, it don come aside. Chai! Juju Ekwensu na bad person o. Juju Ekwensu family na bad family. That family, it don't take them for this work wey they do. In short, they are even worse than Yahoo. Hey! Wonders shall never end, my people. So, my lovely fans, without wasting una time, una know say Yul Edochie condition don critical. Now, so Papa Yul Edochie sit down for house. Yul Edochie come dey take permission from his elders, say he won't celebrate the RIP of his son Kambili Chukwu. They say Peter Edochie head shock. Come dey ask questions, say wetin be all these things when they happen. Now, the same Yul Edochie, now he come out, come say himself na musician. The same Yul Edochie, now he come out say na pastor. They say Yul Edochie different things wey this man they do, different strange things. All of us come dey point finger say Juju Ekwensu na the problem, Mr. Obasi na the problem. Nothing wey we never talk, nothing wey we never drag. Sometimes we say na evil the warrior, nothing wey we never talk. I beg make una carry una chair, make una joko ni joko me na sit down, joko be, make una sit down, make una come hear story. Hey, weleke. Now he make they say this life sometimes. Anybody wey you offend and that person dey vex, beg that person immediately. Because some people go tell you, say, okay, no problem. Problem dey o. Na it be Yul Edochie, Juju Ekwensu, and Mr. Obasi. So, the whole story start from Mr. Obasi. If you be my follower, you know say I don't do video. When I explain, give una the history of Juju Ekwensu, how the whole game of her life they starts, I don't fair explain now, which I don't want to explain again. So I will start for the cocoa of this matter. If you never watch any of my video before, you see this one, take your time to watch them from the beginning to the end. So my people, according to the information where they reach our ear now, they say Peter Edochie say Umbano. This one done too much. Kanayo. Come tell Peter Edochie say he get one place when go carry you Peter Edochie go for embassy. Una no say Kanayo na for embassy for Imo States. And those people they tough. They get more skin. Their skin dry like cow skin. Kanayo na tell Peter Edochie say he see and say Yul Edochie not deal with his senses. Because if Yul Edochie deal with his senses, Yul Edochie can never insult him. He say he stay with Yul Edochie and Juju Ekwensu when they take come shoot film together. He said he near them. Now then he say Yul Edochie, they not be only tied, they tie him. They even blind the eyes, cover his brain, everything about him. My lovely fans, they say now so our nine sacrifice. Come carry Pete Edochie, go meet this man for embassy. When they come reach where the man dey, very strong man. They say as they come, the man tell them for distance. They say as they go where the man dey. Now distance, the man for come appear for them. God tell they say before they enter shrine. Say everything where they carry come, go reach phone, everything. The man say shrine no dey accept am. He said the only thing where shrine they accept na native things. That means Pete Edochie and Kanayo, they need to tie only white cloth. They enter there without slippers and bead. Now waiting in shrine, they accept be that. My people. Now so Kanayo, when he know the man already, come, they don't prepare the cloth, come. They can't change, come tie the white cloth. Come put on bead, remove their slippers. Now so they to go enter this man shrine. My lovely fans, they say as they enter the man shrine, the man tell Peter Edochie say, now your son matter, they carry you the waka. The man tell Peter Edochie say, you don't do many things. You don't waka go different places. He say, but see darkness cover everything. Darkness cover the truth. People, they see only here. They know they see the up one. Hey, they say now Kanayo come beg the native doctor say, I beg, tell us everything when we need to know. They say the native doctor can't tell Peter Edochie say, enough he talk everything. See these people where they stand for here. Now Peter Edochie say not see anything. He say you not fit see there. He say see people where stand for here. They say they not agree, may you see the truth. Say wait till they come for them must collect her, which is your son. And before they go collect her, they go frustrate her. They go make sure say they frustrate her. Say not be Yul Edochie be the first person where they deal with. Say they go make sure say they finish Yul Edochie. My people, now Peter Edochie can say, Peter Edochie can begin a beg, say I beg. But the man can tell Peter Edochie say, make he offer sacrifice, give them. Say there be ancestors that they hear the cry of every child. Make he go, make he kneel down before them. The people where Peter Edochie they kneel down before so, they see them all. Peter Edochie can't kneel down for that particular spot. He can't begin to speak Igbo, can't begin to do incantations, can't begin to do everything. Now they can't tell and say they welcome her because in a person where they serve them, in a person where they respect them, in a person where they worship the ancestors. Say if not be say Peter Edochie, now person where be say he get respect for ancestors. This beg we come beg there, they forgive and spiritual knock. That means after that spiritual knock, after it depend on how many they give them, now life go to be. If they give them 3, he go live for 3 years. They give them 7, he go live for 7 years. But they can't say Peter Edochie na their own son. Someone when he respects his ancestors, someone when they worship his ancestors. They say they hear your cry. They go tell you the thing when it re-happen. My people, they say na so Peter Edochie come take sit down. The native doctor come thank the ancestors wey Peter Edochie no dey see oh. Hey, my people, pikin matter. Anybody wey no fit waka for pikin matter is not capable to be a parent. Where your own problem no carry you go, pikin matter go carry you go there. My people, they say na so native doctor can't tell Peter Edochie say, sit down, they don't give us go ahead. Now the native doctor can't raise the hand, go up, pour the cowries for ground. Tell Peter Edochie say, look into the cowries. Wonders shall never end. Who is that man by your side? Who is that woman by your side? No waiting you they marry, no waiting you they carry. My people, now they can show Juju Ekwensu to Peter Edochie. Juju Ekwensu appear as they call her. She come as a python. They come, now they come tell and say, what you want for Yul Edochie? He say he want devour am, he want swallow am. He say no, they feed the swallow am. Now swallow, he want swallow Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie don't dey hungry and to chop. Say he na to swallow Yul Edochie now he come for. Now they come send and go back. Now they see the native doctor. Come call Juju Ekwensu mama. Come say make he appear. They say Juju Ekwensu mother appear as a cobra. Now they ask Juju Ekwensu mama say, you self, wetin you want from Yul Edochie. He say they send her on a mission for Yul Edochie body. Now they can send her go back. They can't call Juju Ekwensu sister. As they call her, she no appear. Now the native doctor tell them say, now this one, now they control the house. Say Juju Ekwensu, all of them say now Augusta, now he be their queen. Now she they control. The native doctor say she go appear, she the prove stubborn. Make them no worry. The native doctor throw the thing again. Next thing, Ekwensu romance mami water, her elder sister Chidinma Augusta appear for the native doctor. Hey, now the native doctor come ask and say, they say the native doctor come call her. Idi Mili. They say she torn. If na see wetin they say they there. They say Pete Edochie shock. Now they ask her, wetin you want? He say he come for revenge. He saying they on revenge mission. Now they say, why are you there on revenge? She say now she sent Juju Ekwensu to Yul Edochie. She say she the friend Yul Edochie friend. He say Yul Edochie friend now be her boyfriend. Now she carry her sister Judy Austin. He say now she carry Juju Ekwensu romance mami water give Yul Edochie. She say she fair enter the industry before Juju Ekwensu. According to her, she says she'll be producer for the film. My people, we can't go do our research before they tell her this story. Truly, she produced one film for Nollywood years back. Then, he friend, that Yul Edochie friend, I don't want to call his name because na married man. Una know that Yul Edochie friend when he support Yul Edochie. So, then that one self even asked for Juju Ekwensu's sister film. Hey, she say why she dey act that film that time. Now so she can't carry Juju Ekwensu, she carry and give Yul Edochie. According to her, she say Yul Edochie offend her. He say Yul Edochie offend her. Yul Edochie make her vex. He say now he tell Yul Edochie say he go deal with Yul Edochie. He go make Yul Edochie suffer. He say then they come ask and say, okay, what do you want now? He say no want anything. He say what do you want? He say now Yul Edochie, he won't see Yul Edochie dey suffer. He say Yul Edochie go suffer till he buy. He say nothing will go put hand when it go better for her. She say now she send her sister go meet Juju, go meet Yul Edochie. My people, wonders shall never end. Now the native doctor content that one say, oh yeah, you go, we don't hear your side. Now Pete Edochie say, hey, so now this one's be the cause of the problem. Now the native doctor tell Pete Edochie say, no, these are parts of the problem. These are not the problem. My lovely fans, now they can tell Pete Edochie say, now we will go into the full details of this one and the down one where you dey see since then. This one I be the thing where they tell you since then. Say Juju Ekwensu, now it be the problem of your son. Juju Ekwensu, now they worry your son. You see, all these ones now you they see it first. Now you they see all this one not be the main problem. All this one are part of the problem. Make we enter the cocoa of this matter. Hey, Pete Edochie don't start to the shake. Say, God, where is son go put hand? Now, dear my lovely fans, they say they can't tell Pete Edochie say, Oja, we won't enter the main of this matter, the cocoa of this matter. My people, before I give you the full details, this na Gossip Big TV. I beg if you dey watch my video, you never subscribe. Do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like my video and also make una dey watch my video from the beginning to the end. Mona not forget to thumbs up. And all of una wey dey here for me from the beginning, God go bless una. All of una wey subscribe, all of una wey dey like my video, all of una wey always stay here. May God continue to bless una in Jesus' name, inshallah. My people, now so native doctor can enter the cocoa of this matter. Make una no vex say this video long, but I need to give una the full details. So the native doctor can say, make they call Mr. Obasi. They can't call Mr. Obasi. They can't ask Mr. Obasi, say, waiting Yul Edochie do you? Mr. Obasi, they can't carry Mr. Obasi, can't show the ancestors. When he carry Yul Edochie matter, go give. Then he can still show the shrine. When he go drop Yul Edochie picture and Juju Ekwensu picture. So, now they can't ask and say, okay, what do you want? He say the verse. He say when he go, come back. When he travel, go village. He go do Christmas with his family. He spend money. He beg Juju Ekwensu say, okay, if you know they come, let my children go spend holiday with my family. He say Juju Ekwensu say no. Ekwensu tell and say, she no fit come this year. Next year she go come. He say, he no say, na plan with Juju Ekwensu want to empty house. He say, as he reach his house, he say, come up broom to sweep dirty. He no see. Everything they pack on. Go reach his own clothes. He no know where Juju Ekwensu pack her clothes go. He no know where Juju Ekwensu pack his clothes go. He said the house was empty. He say, cover the fear. So wait till happen to the family. He said, when the neighbors call explain give her. He say, be like, say, make he just forget everything. Make he just come and go by himself. He say, neighbors gonna encourage her. According to Mr. Obasi, Mr. Obasi tell them say he can never forgive Yul Edochie or Juju Ekwensu. He say two of them must surely pay for what they do. Now the native doctor can say, okay, you they go, we don't talk your own. They say Peter Edochie put hand for head. Now the native doctor come tell Peter Edochie say, before he give you where this problem for they come, he go fair follow you talk. The native doctor come tell and say, the woman where they give your son, where they call Uche Shuku. Peter Edochie say yes. They say the native doctor say Uche Shuku. That Uche Shuku where they carry give your son. Una ask question before una marry her. Peter Edochie say they no marry her. Say na his son, now lay his son. Now they do with it they hand. The native doctor say the whole problem is coming from Juju Ekwensu. According to the native doctor say even Mr. Obasi say waiting they worry Yul Edochie. Now they worry Mr. Obasi. He say two of them they still they pay for waiting they do to tomorrow. Now Peter Edochie can ask native doctor, hey, we seen the commit now. Now the native doctor tell Peter Edochie say, in they come make it call another person. The person when he hold the key to all of the problem. Now the native doctor call the last person. Now the last person show. Lo and behold, Juju Ekwensu first husband. Una know say that they tell una say Juju Ekwensu first husband na Mr. Obasi. The first one and that one when he first born his first child for. Before he come marry Juju Ekwensu, Mr. Obasi. So when they call that man, the man spirit appear. They force the man to talk, the man no they talk. They force him to talk, he no they talk. They can't send and go back. They can't call him again, they can't appease him. He can't appear again. Now they can't beg and say, make it tell them. They know make it help them. They can't they beg him. Now the man can open mouth. According to the man, which is Juju Ekwensu's first husband. The first husband. Men where they find woman where go call una. Isi mili jaffa. Isi mili jaffa. Isi mili cha 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 kwenu. Make una come hear word. Make una come hear word. Any woman wey marry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ask question. Ask. So, my lovely fans, they say as the man appear, now they come tell the man, say, Biko no, wetin Yul Edochie do you? Why you hold Yul Edochie? Free Yul Edochie now. See the man condition. Una don't finish her. Una don't take everything from her. Wetin una won't take again. Now they say they never start. Oh. They say they never start with Yul Edochie. They say this is just the beginning, my people. They say Kanayo put hand for head. Peter Edochie put hand for head. Now Kanayo tell Peter Edochie. He talk and say all is not well at all. They say Juju Ekwensu first husband tell them. Say Juju Ekwensu marry am. Because say he no get money. Because say he poor. Juju Ekwensu pack the things around. According to the man, he said before he married Juju Ekwensu, pay bride price. Now so the parents, they demand. They want wrapper, they want yam, they want meat, they want goat, they want fowl. He said the demand when Juju Ekwensu parents demand from her. He said he borrow money join to marry Juju Ekwensu. He said when he married Juju Ekwensu, he was living well. He was living okay. He said Juju Ekwensu bring. My family, now they take fall hang. Now they take fall in business. He said Juju Ekwensu family, he said the worst pass ants. He said if they surround person, the worst pass ants. He said now so they chop and they chop. Juju Ekwensu mama go come back. His sister go come back. Hey, no time where they come, where they bring something, come for their daughter. Anytime where they come, they carry bag where they want to dry them. The man say no still talk, he say they manage to go. He say not until Juju Ekwensu dey house. Juju Ekwensu come go dey sleep with Mr. Obasi. Hey, Gweleke. He said Juju Ekwensu 12 the day house. He said small. Now so Juju Ekwensu family come pack. He come fall down. Business come fall. Everything come fall. Things come dey hard. As he just start to tell Juju Ekwensu say, we need to manage you. Things get as it be. Business no balance well. He said Juju Ekwensu come dey tell and say, try work hard though. Try work hard. Which one be business no balance well? He said, I come talk for him. I say, we myself, they know they understand the situation of things. The man say before you know what they happen. The moment money no dey again, Juju Ekwensu start to knack Mr. Obasi. Why she was still married to this man. Una the year matter so. Why Juju Ekwensu was still married to this man? Juju Ekwensu come dey knack Mr. Obasi. But that of Mr. Obasi no know. Yo le doshe no. Mr. Obasi no know say Juju Ekwensu marry. Juju Ekwensu go dress like girl, everything. He don't even tell Mr. Obasi say he don't born one child for the marriage. He go dey meet Mr. Obasi. Now so he and Mr. Obasi come the date. That time Mr. Obasi was doing well. Why this her first husband? Everywhere don't scatter. The man don't get money again. Now so you take go dey knack Mr. Obasi. And they say before you know Mr. Obasi come tell and say he won't marry her. He say so during that period everything got tough for her. He said those things as things stay hard for her. Now he take discharge, come out for the country. He said before those things happen, he said Juju Ekwensu, Mr. Obasi, he said under a roof. Now Juju Ekwensu, they say Juju Ekwensu still dey house. When Mr. Obasi go pay bride price for Juju Ekwensu head. Una see and say the story, not be Yul Edochie body for start. My people, I laugh in intention. Juju Ekwensu first husband can't tell the native doctor say Juju Ekwensu dey house when Mr. Obasi go pay a bride price. According to the man, he said the cost when he cost them. He said now they worry Mr. Obasi, now they worry Yul Edochie. The man say for his own village where for come. He say any man when he sleep with their wife, any woman will be their wife. Say the men when they sleep with those women, he say now their ancestors they deal with. Now then the ancestors they go destroy them. And before they buy them, they go frustrate them. They go make them from poor to nothing. They go disgrace them. They go make sure say they dry them to the extent we be say they not come they relevant to the society. Now then they go come by them. When they don't finish them, they don't say they don't get anything when they want squeeze for them. They go come by them. Then that of Juju Ekwensu, he said Juju Ekwensu no go ever stay one husband house. He said now so she go come from one man to another. He said after she don't follow the men, they don't frustrate her. Now only she go come by herself. And say now so their own tradition they work. He said when Juju Ekwensu go to sleep with Mr. Obasi, when he still there under a roof, Ekwensu first husband say now so he take call the spirit of his ancestors. He say call the spirit of his ancestors. He say now then Now they pursue Yul Edochie and Mr. Obasi. He say Mr. Obasi, he say no business when he go do when he go stand. He say nothing when he go do when he go stand. He say that the way Mr. Obasi go collect the bride price of Juju Ekwensu hand. He say now Mr. Obasi can't even see they okay. He say but those people say they must surely come for her. Hey. He said the reason why Mr. Obasi won't even better small. He said because Mr. Obasi not know say Juju Ekwensu was a married woman. They say now I can say now the same thing we do Mr. Obasi. Now they do Yul Edochie because according to a tradition, any woman, any man when he can come across Juju Ekwensu, all of them will collect. All of them must the ancestors say his own ancestors when he cry go give. All of them must collect and they must deal with them. He said, wait till they do Yul Edochie. He said, for Yul Edochie to climb a cursed woman, a woman cursed by her own ancestors, a woman that the ancestors don't lay curse on, a forbidden abomination woman. He said that curse, when he reached Mr. Obasi body, he said, now they worry Yul Edochie. He said, Yul Edochie will never even start to. He said, now touch, they touch her now. He said, Yul Edochie go frustrate to the last call. Now so the man can say the same thing where they worry Mr. Obasi. Now he go worry Yul Edochie. Say Yul Edochie won't just start to. Say they never start to they give Yul Edochie hand. Any man when he climb Juju Ekwensu, any man when he come across Juju Ekwensu, they must surely frustrate. They must surely go down because the cause when his ancestors put for Juju Ekwensu body, he still they follow Juju Ekwensu. Say they don't come one time, they come beg them for their village. Say they won't do cleansing. Now the people, the youth and the women of their village, now they beat Juju Ekwensu and his family pursue them. Say they will never free Juju Ekwensu. That curse could be upon her head. They say now that curse now they follow Juju Ekwensu. Any man when he climb her, any man when he won't stay with her, all of them go they shop for the cause. They say Yul Edochie, oh John, you start oh hey. So this one are just the beginning. Hey, they say Yul Edochie, oh Johnny start. They say they never even start to deal with her. Then they give her testing. Now Yul Edochie won't be. By the time they finish with Yul Edochie, he no go believe it. They say no be Mr. Obasi at all. Now it be Yul Edochie problem. The problem is Juju Ekwensu be caused by her first husband. Juju Ekwensu go marry for family where be say that they forbid their women to sleep with other men. Juju Ekwensu dey her first husband house, she did knock Mr. Obasi. When we thought we've heard it all, my people, they say now the market they say they no one yet a beg. They know the yet, they know the agree, they know say they know they forgive anybody. Say they know the year beg. Say the gods have declared, the spirit of the ancestors have declared, everything anybody will climb Juju Ekwensu, they must pay for the consequences. Now the man can disappear. Hey, now the native doctor can look Peter Edochie. They say Peter Edochie shake his head. Say what he go do. Now the native doctor tell Peter Edochie say, there is nothing to do. Just keep on praying. Say, may God have mercy on your son. May God remember your son. Say, he himself, say, a lot of things there. But fear no go let him do it. Because where Juju Ekwensu for first go marry, now very dangerous people, very dangerous place. They even use Juju Ekwensu to swear the ancestors before they marry her. They carry Juju Ekwensu to count a lot of things before they marry her. They tell her the consequences. But because say she is a python, she feels say she can subdue everybody, but not to this extent. They say as long as Yul Edochie don't climb her, Yul Edochie don't sleep on top of Juju Ekwensu, Yul Edochie is a partaker of the cost that was laid on Juju Ekwensu. Hey, now papa ask native doctor what he go do. Papa tell, they say native doctor tell Peter Edochie say, you they ask what you want do. You know how many people when I call for your son matter, how many you want do? How many you want solve? All these people where you call so, all of the Yul Edochie matter they their table. How many you want call? How many you want beg? The native doctor call tell Peter Edochie say, make Peter Edochie they go. 7 days from now. She say, 7 days from now, come back again. Make we see how to appease the gods of this first Juju Ekwensu first husband. Now there the problem for start. We need to appease that man. Even Mr. Obasi according to wetin we dey hear. Even Mr. Obasi no know say Juju Ekwensu was still in her husband house when he himself dey knack am. Hey, una see Juju Ekwensu, una dey see am. That is to tell you, say, as the day Yul Edochie house, she does still dey knack another one. Hey, my people, make una my woman, una dey marry o. All these women wey they don't chop, they come dey pretend like say that they wear long gown. Come dey pretend say that they wear native, they cover hair. Hey, fear them, my people. Wonders indeed shall never end. They say after 7 days, make Peter Edochie come back. Make they see what to do. Wonders shall never end. My people, this na Gossip Big TV. I beg, if you dey watch my video, you never subscribe, do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like my video and also watch my video from the beginning to the end. And all my subscribers, may God continue to bless all of una in Jesus' name, inshallah. Amen.